Hello everyone, welcome back to the SweetStarCandle YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making a Superman ice cream inspired wax melt. Our first step is going to be measuring out 1.9 ounces of wax melt wax in 3 different pitchers. The wax I use for my wax melts is Pro Blend 650 and it is a Parasoy blend. And as you can see, these are my 3 different pitchers for my 3 different colors we're going to be using. So we'll need 1 drop red in 1 pitcher. The kind of candle dye that I use for these is from Nature's Garden. I'll have a link in the description to every product that I use in the video. Our next step is 1 drop yellow in a different pitcher, and our last step is 1 drop blue in the last pitcher. While we get our wax on the melter, we can add 1/2 of 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder to each of our pitchers. The mica powder I get from Nature's Garden, and I'll have a link in the description to go to that as well. Here's a Superman ice cream inspired fragrance oil I found from SunshineCandleSupply.com. If you want to add any fragrance oil, make sure your wax melt wax gets up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and make sure your fragrance oil, like I say in every video, is mixed until the wax is not cloudy anymore, and make sure your dye, mica powder, and fragrance oil are all incorporated together. Clamshells I use are from Aztec Candle Supply, and they are the large size. I'll have a link in the description for those. If you use a normal size clamshell, just make sure you know how much wax goes in it, divide that by 3, and you'll know how much wax you need for color. If I was to do this video again, I would definitely not do this method I just did of pouring in more wax on top of the pipette. I would definitely use a pipette if you want the most effective differential in color. But this also does a cool effect. It almost looks like quote unquote melted ice cream on top. So you get the yellow kind of, and with the red and the blue, they're kind of all mixed together. Just depends on what you want. After that, I just add my colors. I melt them over and over again to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, pouring them into the clamshell until all of my color is gone. So after letting the wax melt sit for 2 weeks for optimal fragrance throw, as you can see on the top part of the wax melt, it kind of makes a melted look, and then the bottom you can see are distinct colors of our red, yellow, and blue. So here are some clips as the wax melts are melting in our wax melter, and if you look closely you can see the mica powder that we added in. Thank you everyone for watching. If you're interested in the candles and wax melts I sell, you can go to sweetstarcandles.com and use code YT15 at checkout for 15% off as a thank you for watching this video. All of the products I use in this video will be in the description. Please comment your favorite ice cream. My personal favorite is probably mint chocolate chip, but I do love Superman ice cream. It kind of inspired me to make this video. And also please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all later.